made a decision. Make my major moves right now, no good riddance. It's either rocking mics or hand washing niggas' frying pans. Reporting live from the garbage can. Yo, I'm on my third cup of coffee. Sitting here, memories, past life haunt me. Spill still scarred over shit we did as kids. You spared my life, why you let me live? In my head to be bold as Mandela and form my army. No weapon shall prosper or harm me, you promised me that. I'm on my road to redemption, the bottom of the garbage can, sitting here listening. Talented as fuck, dreams bigger than the universe. I draft $1 million verse, I'm cursed. The giant has done it, birthed down in the gutter. A business attitude, boy, I get it from my mother. Recently been slipping, now I'm back with my mittens on. It's time to get that go-getting on. Ain't nobody gonna do it for me, you'll see. And I'ma stay mucky, the world going.
Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.
There's no hidden messages or themes. I'm pulling this verse, it's a narrative.